Alright, so today is iPhone 15 pickup day. We're gonna go to the Apple store and pick up our iPhone 15. So I'm gonna bring you guys along all the way to the Apple store. We're gonna unbox it over here and we're gonna take a look of how the iPhone 15 actually looks in person. So as you guys know, I have the white iPhone 15 Pro Max with 256 gigabytes of storage. Just gonna go out, go downtown Montreal, pick it up, bring it back, unbox it, and make that a whole video. So I'll see you guys in the car on our way to the Apple store. Alright, so we're on our way to drive to the Apple store. We are a little bit early, but I'd rather be early than late. So let's get on our way there. We should be there in about 10 to 15 minutes. Then once we're there, we'll see if we can get the phone earlier than scheduled. So yeah, let's get ready and go to the Apple store. So we're parked here. We just gotta go to the Apple store. I did see a long line, so we should go there fast and see how far the line actually is. So it is a good thing that I did come early because it does seem that the line is fairly long, and since it's gonna take a while for me to actually get my phone, I think it's a good thing that I came for early. I'm not too sure if it's gonna be at least a 45-minute wait. We are about 15 minutes early, or 30 minutes early, I should say. We're 30 minutes early. We're supposed to get here at 9:45 for a pickup, but it is 9:15, and the line is extremely long. I didn't expect the line to be this long because I remember when I ordered my iPhone 12 Pro Max, I had it on day one, and I had the earliest time available, and there was no one on the line. Of course, I didn't order the 13 or the 14, so I don't know if there was a long line for the 13 or the 14. For the 15, it does look like there's extremely long lines. I've seen online a lot of people waiting in line, even in person today, so we're gonna check that out. So it does look like this is the line for people that didn't order online. Thank God I ordered mine online, so I don't have to wait to actually get my iPhone.
Peter?
So we got the iPhone and a few cases. So we're just walking back to the car. It was pretty nice. It was pretty quick. So we didn't have to wait too long since we ordered online. Now we just have to walk to the car, drive home, unbox the phone, and see how the phone actually is. I did take some videos of the phone at the Apple store, and it does look like the white phones still has the fingerprints on them, but the natural titanium doesn't. So if you are getting natural titanium, they won't have any fingerprints on the phones. So that's probably the best one if you're trying to avoid fingerprints, but I'm gonna put it on the case anyway, so I don't really care about it, but the white really looks nice. So I can't wait to go home and unbox it. So as you can see, we have the Apple Store bag, and we do have the iPhone 15 inside of it. So we just got back from the Apple store. Now we're just gonna unbox it and see how it actually is. So as you guys know, I mentioned this in the beginning of the video. I have the 12 Pro Max, white 12 Pro Max with 256 gigabytes of storage. So let's unbox it and see how it actually looks. So we do have these tabs here that we're gonna pull on. All right, moment of truth. All right, and voila. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max with 256 gigabytes of storage, the white iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it looks very, very nice. All right, so now let's take it out of the box and see what it actually comes with. Let's just put the phone to the side for now. So it does come with a braided USB-C cable. So USB-C to USB-C, as we can see here, no pun intended. And we have some pamphlets. We do have the SIM ejector and one sticker. So that's actually pretty cool. And it does seem like that's pretty much it. So as we know, there's no charger in the box, only the cable and the SIM ejector. So we put that to the side. Now let's get the phone out of here. Wow, so the phone really looks amazing, pristine. I love the curved edges. As you guys might be able to see, it is curved. As I did mention earlier, the white does hold some fingerprints. So if you are getting the white, you are going to see some fingerprints on the side of the titanium rails, but it still looks very, very nice. So let's take this off. Wow. So yeah, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in white, titanium, USB-C, 256 gigabytes of storage. Very, very beautiful. So this is the phone I'm gonna be keeping for a while, and I am upgrading from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So there's a lot for me to even enjoy since I'm coming from the 12 Pro Max. I'm gonna have dynamic island, 120 hertz, more storage, titanium, better cameras, better battery, action button. There's a lot for me to really enjoy with this upgrade. So I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to make a review about it maybe in a week. So yeah, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I am absolutely loving this. All right, so let me know what you guys think of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This was just a delivery video and an unboxing. I am gonna do a first impressions maybe on my next video or the video after that. But I am gonna enjoy this phone a lot. So let me know what you guys think of this and leave it down in the comments. Are you getting the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max or even the iPhone 15 regular or Plus? Or are you skipping this year for next year, or did you already get an upgrade for iPhone 14? So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.